So before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about Retirable, which is our video sponsor and an awesome new company that is helping you retire. So you can sign up for Retirable with the link in the description and get a free consultation. They help make the retirement process super easy, and they actually pair you up with a retirement expert to walk you through the whole process. So now retiring is way easier than ever before. So use the link below and get a free consultation. And now let's get started with the video.
Brian asks, what is the best dash cam for rideshare drivers?
Let's look it up. What's the best dash cam for rideshare drivers?
That's a good question.
That's a really good question. Let's check it out. Best dash cam for Uber. The best dash cam for Uber drivers, the Vantrue Pro I know is really good. ZenFox. Oh, we have links down below, guys. Go into our description. We actually have links in the description box. Of the best, dang, my computer is really laggy today.
Here are 3 things.
Oh. So if you go to the description, we have links here. Dash cam, where is it? There it is. Yeah, the Vantrue Pro, guys, this one is the best. And when you use our link, you get a $30 coupon.
Oh, that's pretty good.
So yeah, so the best thing about this is that it records at night, which is what you really want to make sure you get an inside one and an outside one. Because this way you can record your passengers. You can post the clips on YouTube if you want to make some viral videos. But there's also cheaper ones too. I mean, honestly, you just want to make sure you find one that gets the front, inside, and rear and is like, you know, decent quality.
Yeah.
It doesn't really matter, honestly. But I like the smaller ones that like hook up to your the mirror.
Mm-hmm.
So if you guys want to find a dash cam, the ZenFox T3 is good. The Vantrue Pro, I believe that's the one I have. Towguard CE41 is good. Garmin dash cam.
Oh yeah, Garmin's a good brand.
Nexar Pro I've heard is really, really good too. It's a really easy setup.
Yeah, just as long as it records the inside and the outside.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, you got to get the dual facing one. Blue Sky C I've heard is good. Yeah. Cool. Comment down below, what dash cam do you guys have? Kamikaze says, I have a black view with interior and forward cam. And again, big shout out to Retirable. Thank you so much for giving my audience, you guys, a really easy way to retire, simple and easy, and you can get a free consultation with a retirement expert with Retirable. So use my link below to sign up for Retirable. God bless. Talk to you soon.